In this video, I want to talk about if you can send crypto on eToro. Now, you can send crypto on eToro, but you need to download a separate app called eToro Money. So what you need to do is go to the App Store and download eToro Money, and you need to sign up on there. You can just use your eToro account to log in, but you need to use this app, and you need to verify your phone number on that app, otherwise it's not going to work. Now, once you've fully verified your account on eToro Money and you've signed into your eToro account, what this does is eToro Money is like a crypto wallet kind of thing for eToro. So you can send crypto from inside of here. You can send it to another eToro wallet or external wallets. So get this one, and then what you need to do from eToro is you need to follow these steps right here. So you need to go to your portfolio. You need to select crypto. Click on the crypto position, and then you want to click on transfer to wallet. Now what this will do is it will send the crypto to your eToro Money wallet, and then from in there what you can do is you can send it to external wallets, or you can sell it, or whatever you want to do. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.